Hello, my name is Andrew Hall. I'm Director of Transit Facility Maintenance with the MBTA. So what we're doing right now, the cleaners are cleaning with a soap or a detergent to remove all the heavy soil and dirt off the surfaces. Once that is completed, they apply the disinfectant, and the disinfectant is allowed to sit on the surface for the appropriate dwell time based on the manufacturer's specification. The stations are receiving daily cleaning, and the bulk of the cleaning is done overnight. Power washing of the platforms and the tactile, cleaning of the restrooms, which is a deep cleaning of the restroom, and the disinfecting. The disinfecting component of it is being done every 4 hours, before and after rush, to address the touch point areas. The high touch point areas are where we feel that customers are typically placing their hands on top of surfaces, which are the fare gates, the automatic fare machines, within the elevators, the buttons, and then the handrails on the escalator and on the stairs. That's to ensure the health and safety of all of the passengers that are riding on the system. So currently right now, in total, we have roughly around 260 employees that do the regular cleaning, and then about 47 that do the additional disinfecting. The cleaning and disinfecting is helping keep riders' health and safety by preventing the spread of COVID-19 and other diseases that are out there.